Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of dining room and dining table decorating ideas. Whether you're hosting a formal dinner or enjoying a casual meal with family, we've got tips and tricks to make your dining space stylish and inviting. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about setting the scene in your dining room. The overall ambience is crucial for creating a welcoming atmosphere. Lighting: consider a statement chandelier or pendant lights above the dining table. Soft, warm lighting can create an intimate and cozy vibe. Color scheme: choose a cohesive color scheme that complements your dining room's overall decor. Neutrals, pastels, or bold colors can all work, depending on the look you're going for. Wall art: add personality with artwork, mirrors, or a stylish wall clock. These elements can add depth and character to your dining space. Now, let's focus on the dining table itself. This is the centerpiece of your dining room, so it deserves special attention. Tablecloths and runners: start with a beautiful tablecloth or runner that sets the tone. For a classic look, go with linen or cotton in neutral tones. For something more vibrant, choose a patterned or brightly colored option. Place settings: create an elegant place setting with chargers, plates, napkins, and cutlery. Layering these elements adds depth and interest. Don't forget to include stylish glassware and a centerpiece. Centerpieces: a stunning centerpiece can make a big impact. Consider fresh flowers, candles, or a decorative bowl filled with seasonal fruits. For a modern look, use geometric vases or minimalist designs. Personal touches can make your dining room feel uniquely yours. Here are some ideas to add a bit of your personality to the space. DIY decor: create your own table decor with DIY projects. For example, you can paint mason jars to use as vases or make your own placemats. Family heirlooms: incorporate family heirlooms or sentimental items into your decor. These pieces add a touch of history and warmth. Seasonal decor: change up your decor with the seasons. For spring, think fresh flowers and pastel colors. For fall, consider pumpkins and warm, earthy tones. Storage can be both functional and stylish in your dining room. Let's explore some options. Buffets and sideboards: a buffet or sideboard can provide extra storage for dining essentials. Choose one that complements your dining table and other furniture. Display cabinets: use a display cabinet to showcase your best china, glassware, or decorative items. This not only provides storage, but also adds to the room's decor. Shelving: wall-mounted shelves can be used to display decorative items or store frequently used items like plates and glasses. Finally, let's talk about the finishing touches that can make your dining room feel complete. Chair covers and cushions: add comfort and style with chair covers or cushions. Choose fabrics and colors that match your overall theme. Area rugs: an area rug can anchor your dining table and add warmth to the room. Make sure it's large enough to accommodate the chairs when they are pulled out. Greenery: bring life to your dining room with plants or small trees. They add a fresh, natural element and can improve the air quality. And there you have it. With these dining room and dining table decorating ideas, you're ready to create a space that's both stylish and inviting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home decor tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!